So I'm ready to put the damper in. I drilled one hole a certain distance down, and then I went to the other side, went down the same distance, but tried to make sure that it was in line with this one. I laid the damper on the top, lined it up with this hole, and then looked down the other side and marked it, and then drilled it. So I think I got it good. Ideally, we should be able to see right through that, and we'll be on the opposite side. And that way our damper will be in the center and be able to swivel correctly. It's hard to get them just right. If you're a little off, you're still okay. I haven't had perfect success, but hopefully this one will be real good. I took my time. So the trick is I'm going to first pull this out by twisting this, because you got this loop right here. You got to turn it so you can pull it out. Hold the damper in there, put this through, and then twist it, get it back in there gently, press on the spring, and then you twist it so that this loop right here hooks right over here. So a little hard to explain, but once it's in there, it'll be pretty solid, and you can then turn it, and it'll stay. Okay, so that's where we're at, and let's get it in.